What's good, YouTube? Gang, your boy Jambisco back with another banger reaction. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, Dan Mafia, see what we are dealing with today. Yeah, man, we're there with another banger reaction from none other than. Yeah, man, no Mr. Mobby myself, man. Mr. Yeah, I'm brain, man. You know what I'm saying? 1 alien mob, man. You don't know what we are talking about today. Yeah, man, we're there back with another banger from Kyodi. You see me? We think Kyodi he done with the war thing after 10 tick and thing, but you see me and said, yeah, he make a post, like he make a song. I call out a bunch of artists, including demarco. You see me, and then demarco go up on IG and say, yo, if you want to clash me, you see me, nobody come clash me, that bugger, man. Just, you see me, talk straight. You see me, make a direct this and see what I go on. You see me, push a foot and see what happen. Yo, and then Kyodi go on IG and tag and say, another fish take it bait. And tag demarco. You see me and say, now today, on the Blow Tuesday morning, we got this. We see Kyodi drop this new track entitled Nyamarco. Nyamarco, and the fish on the front side look like the mark. So we gotta check it out and see what go on, gang. You see me? Look like a new war just kick off. And we have to join it. You see me? Yeah, man, so now hold up the vibe much longer, you know, man. We're gonna check it out, cause we have to know what go on in that war and see. You see me? We have to go see if this is a valid war, something we need in our culture right now. You see me? I say, gang. Yeah, man, so now we'll hold up the vibe much longer. We'll jump right in that track, man. This is a Kyodi, new demarco, this entitled Nyamarco, gang. Let's get it, come on.
Come here. Run some lap on the field, no. Boy, you want to run dancer. Run your pussy. Run your profile and get a intel. You no love your life like your fucking tell. On your birthday,
when you say run on the field, boy, you want to run dancehall, run on the field. And that's the dog said. I hope not, you know. You see me? But this sound like a beat, man. Come here.
Pussy, come here. Run some lap on the field, no. Boy, you want to run dancer. Run your pussy. Run your profile and get a intel. You no love your life like your fucking tell. On your birthday, Terry fuck for your
half rip, the dog bumbo clean. You see me, I just say weird dog, I take the marker weird. You see me, you loving life a lie and tell. Run your file and get some intel. On your birthday, what happened?
You ask for your strap just for
damn, on your birthday, I get a fuck on your bed, bro. Wickedness that in on my yacht.
You ask for your strap just for turn it on your head. And you never yet prefer shoot a man. Big for no we can fuck. Yo them good at you to run fish. Could you come?
What's a big fin? Yo, big fin nothing, dog. Yo them good at you to wrong. You see me ask, you're gonna turn it on your head, bro. Dog gonna commit suicide. How go on? Come on.
Prefer shoot a man. Big for no we can fuck. Yo them good at you to run fish. Could you come from a valley? I must have tuna can. Chip. Amiga, he belly big like one a junior gang.
The man said the fish could come from a valley, dog. I must have tuna can, dog. Where man I move, bro? I can't have a valley come from. I must have tuna can.
Pull him up a shot now. He's a hand grenade a drop. He's longer than a frack. Look how it hang off from my back. Boy, you afraid of me? Imagine if I'm a rocket. I'll make you run from your place. Soon as I find out you a sprat. Pussy.
Would not get the one day. Man say Melon afraid of me. Could have blood clean. Sitting there, you know, so I think they might call Melon though. 10 tick. Ever since the one Melon incident. Yeah, man, 10 tick dog attack, man. You see me and say, I'm going for my microphone now. You see me? 10 tick dog attack, man, I war, man. You see me? Man, I say, yo, dog afraid of me. Imagine if I'm Melon. Come on.
Say you're scared. Is a girl a summer can tell me you're weird. You die your part pussy with your beard. Fat shot in your mouth and your sexual affair.
Whoa. Hey, Kyodi now go hold up on this, then lyrics, you know. Yeah, man, like Kyodi, I tell you everything, man. The man say, yo, you die up a rate because I be a jaja.
Start and my papa, my gun. Every man a back off a run. Everybody. Nyamarco chop all a gum. Whole place shake is a disaster come.
But I say, dog, I try to run on Nyamarco drop, bro. The whole place shake, dog. You see, you think a disaster come, you wear dog fat dog, you think say when the dog drop, you think it's a natural disaster. Jaja, I don't mean sister, the Kyodi
so
sister.
me take up back football, you know. Me no beat boy if me want a jump. Me send for the Tams to send them underground. Try stay home and lift up weights. No try war murderer with your piss up face. When it come to badness and me.
Stay home, brother. I try to lift some weight, dog. Don't come in and saw the murderer thing, you see me? Don't come around to the piece of face, man. Just stay in the gym and try this on weight.
Illustrate, me shoot bad man and kick up bait. Vicious state, the marker you have no broom, go lift up break. You easy fish at up.
Man say me kill bad man and kick up bait. It's a vicious state. You see me? So I kick him and kick you up. You know, waste no time for shoot you.
Like when I meet duck plate, all you do a chat shit, me get the duck tape. Boy fool like duck, wait till him touch lake. Be a crocodile, golfman, cut up snake. Favor girl where you breathe through your fuck up weight. Remember your foot leans.
Man say you feel like girl where you have because of your fuck up weight. You man say you look like a pregnant man. You man say you look like a 9 months pregnant. You man say you look like you carrying triplets. And me say so.
You know more straight. Terry sit down and cream in your fuck face.
No, that. Oh, no. Yo, DeMarco. Yo, Kyodi come with that. Yeah. Kyodi nasty than fully bad, bro. No cap. Man, I got nasty up in a worse way. You didn't get like that.
Man, next thing, see it say you find me airline. Interesting, coulda never favor everybody as the next king. Alien Fury, lyrics are the wickedest thing.
Oh mother, I just see airline. The man say, yo, yeah, you stay up on me airline. Yeah, but could I never look like nobody, everybody else. As I'm glad to be here like fuck up, come and look like everybody else. Cause the next king could I never. You see me, I say, alien, the man say, boy, could be dog, I just see airline from now. Come on.
Face. Batman, next thing, see it say you find me airline. Interesting, coulda never favor everybody as the next king. Alien Fury, lyrics are the wickedest thing. Wish palm song for turn back, big clown. See how it give me your and be my for spin around. Never
yo, man say, I'm song turn back. Big clown, you say give me your and be my for spin around, you know. That's how I'm song turn back. Yeah, go ahead.
Still a sing, me swear think you did chunk. So me know you is a fisher, or you still a swim road. Oh, why start me pop off my gun? Every man a back off a run. Nyamarco chop all a gun. Whole place shake is a disaster come.
I say why start me pop off my gun? Everybody start to run. Nyamarco chop all gun. That's a big beat this. Hey, come on.
Boy head a bum and a bum. So me take up back football and up. Me no beat boy if me want a jump. Me send for the Tams to send them underground. Batty boy DeMarco. Run your profile for real pussy and no make up this and
say me no beat boy if me want a drum, you know me send for the Tans to make them go on and run. After them.
Just for no music, this batty boy, this a facts. And you know that. Big girl clown, big freak DeMarco. A reverse psychology I try use for internet and laugh off your face in a pussy. When you hear about your big stinking gut.
Reverse psychology I try use, eh?
You know so when I use reverse psychology, pussy, I reverse in a boy yard and park up and go shot him in his face. Like you win in place, yeah. Remember said pussy when she 9 months pregnant. Bun up. Me know that bun you know, cause you nearly kill yourself for real, you know.
Yo, boy. Yo, we have to come talk about this. You have to come talk about this, you know, DeMarco. Boom, boy. Man say a reverse psychology I try to use when man talk about your shit cut. We know when a lot boy I laugh on blood class social media. You see me? You try to use reverse psychology. Only reverse and parking a boy yard and shot them no matter who they there. Oh my! Yo, you have to go adjust this, you know. And man say everything when talk a facts. The man say Kerry game pussy when she 9 months pregnant. And that a facts, brother. And you nearly kill yourself. That a facts, brother. He man no say you're saying, the man say a facts, dog. Yo, we have to pull that up, bro. Come in, man. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. How are you going? Who are you going? We have to hear that, man. How am I? Yeah, man. We want to hear that, man. Blows. Kerry is a wicked girl, whoever you be. Big man think Kerry, whoever you is a wicked girl. Come here.
Remember say Terry give her the pussy when she 9 months pregnant. Me know that bunny, you know, cause you nearly kill yourself for real, you know. Patty man.
Kill yourself for real, dog. That hot. Me nah make that. DeMarco, you made that happen, dog. You here kill off yourself, bro. Because of a little treesh, bro. Because of a little thotty, bro. Come on, man. Dog. Kerry, whoever you be, Kerry is a wicked girl. Nah, I don't talk, Kerry. Kerry, me nah, I don't talk. Kerry is a wicked girl. You see me and say, oh, you have to do that to the G. You make him now and kill himself, dog. Bongo, jungo. DeMarco, you have to adjust them thing there, bro. You have to go adjust them thing there. And if them thing that you are wake, how you already get your file from? I wait Kyodi get a file from, and if they think they true, me J. You see me? If they think they also true, dog. Me not think you want bother work Kyodi, man, cause come like you got your file for real. You got some info on you. You got the upper hand on you. Got the drop on you, kid. You see me? I said, you better, you see me, if they think they true and you able to dig up them true there, dog. You might want to try it carefully, you know. You might want to try it carefully, man, G. Know where I do. Know where I do it, I go to war with Kyodi. Yeah, but if they think it's true, Kyodi did a great job. He did the research. You see me come for boss boy ahead. Yeah, man, I'm like that. But yo, the tuna shot, man. I first sang this in a war. So, we are going to see, you know, because last time people say, yo, fully bad didn't do so great because he was on the offensive. But now, Kyodi is on the offensive. DeMarco is still on the counter action. Let's see what DeMarco do with this. And see where I go. You see me, I said, gang? I don't know. Yeah, man, gang. I don't know about Jambisco. Jump in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think. Make sure you go join the Discord. We'll lead over there, man. You can send me videos directly, talk to me directly, all that good stuff, bro. We're there for the war, gang. I don't know what time it is. We're there for the war. We're there, wait for DeMarco reply, see if DeMarco reply. And from this, we're going to see what happens. You see me, I say? But yeah, man, gang, you don't know it. Boy, Jambisco, till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.
On the play me DJ, I want to rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.